Hey guys, so I just filmed my everyday makeup routine. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you go check it out. Don't mind these curtains. Remember I was telling you guys I still need stuff for my place? Yeah, I got these curtains and they're clearly too short. And it doesn't look good if I move the bar lower. So anyway, I'm just like waiting on the perfect, I'm not waiting, I'm looking for the perfect curtains to kind of match the vibe. I don't think I even like that white color. I think we're gonna go darker. Anyway, so yes, I'm just at home today. I'm going out later, like later on, but I'm really hungry right now. Let me sit and I'll tell you guys about this whole HelloFresh thing. So I had tried HelloFresh about a month ago and it was okay. It's just, you know, the thing with me when it comes to food, like when I find a meal that I like, I will just keep making that exact same meal over and over again. I've been making the exact same recipes lately and I wanted to switch it up. So I tried HelloFresh, it was cool, but I go grocery shopping every week. So I feel like it contradicts itself by going to the grocery store and then also having meals being sent to my house. So I say all that to say one of the meals that I got from my HelloFresh package, I really liked it. Actually, I'm going to show you guys. So when you get the meal with HelloFresh, it comes with these instruction cards, you know, and it tells you literally everything. It got pictures, honey. It's easy. This is not an ad for HelloFresh, okay? Remember, I'm not using it today. I'm just saying I did it before. So anyway, this is the meal that I tried and I really liked it. So I just got all the ingredients myself from the store for a whole lot cheaper. You know, it just kind of makes sense. And yes, we're gonna make this meal now because I'm really hungry. Okay, this is the recipe we're gonna follow. So if you wanna make this yourself, pause this, take a screenshot, okay? These are the instructions on the back. Make sure you get that. All right, let's get into it. Make sure you wash those hands. That's the most important part of all this. Everything I'm using as far as produce is all right here. I'm gonna start with the scallions because I don't need all of these for the recipe, but I wanna cut them all up now so that I can just put away the other ones, you know? All right, so recipe, we'll call for these. So cutting, I learned this from the one and only Gordon Ramsay himself. There's a proper way to cut, especially when you're dicing. Have the knife hit this knuckle right here. All your fingers are curved down. This is the only thing that's out. And your thumb is tucked away, honey, because it's so easy to get the thumb or your pinky. Everything hides behind. This is your guide right here. Nails, so it's a little bit, can be tricky sometimes, especially when my nails are a little bit longer, but today we're doing good. All right, so this is the meal, black bean and poblano flautas. This is what we got. I think it turned out good. I'm about to dig in. You guys, I'm literally starving. Like, I can't have lunch this late. This is like not good. But this is my food. I think it came out pretty good. I mean, considering this is the second time that I've made it. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm going to eat this, put on a show, and I'll be right back with y'all. So good. Oh my God.